Good morning, Year 2. Hope you enjoyed yesterday's maths lesson in describing movement, and today we are describing turns. Now, I think this will be quite tricky, and it's quite tricky for us to teach you when you're not in school, but do your best, okay? So, you need to know your clockwise and anti-clockwise movements, okay? And your quarters and your halves. So when we describe direction, we use quarter turn and half turn. So a quarter turn is this. So if I was stood in the middle facing this way, if I did a quarter turn, I would now be facing this way. And the same again, if I was stood here facing up, I would do a half turn and I would then be facing down here. Can you stand up and do a quarter turn and a half turn? Stand up and see if you can do those. And then see if you can turn clockwise and anti-clockwise. So clockwise is the direction that a clock moves. So it would go 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, all the way around that way. And anti-clockwise would be running around the clock backwards. So 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 and so on. It's really important that we remember those when we are describing turns. Okay. 3/4 turns. What do you think a 3/4 turn anti-clockwise would look like? So the important parts there are 3/4 and anti-clockwise. So we know that anti-clockwise is going this way around the circle. And 3/4 means it moves through 3 little quarters, okay? So let me move the car to show you. So 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So the car would end up in that position if it moved 3/4 anti-clockwise. Like I said, it's very, very tricky, but just bear with and you will understand, okay? Just listen really carefully. The frog has made a quarter turn clockwise. So has the frog moved 1/4 turn clockwise? What do you think? Let me show you what a quarter turn would be. So keep your eye on this frog. I'm going to do a quarter turn clockwise. Let's see if he looks like this frog. Let's just do that. Okay, so a quarter turn means the frog would look like that. Okay, he would be facing upwards. Let's turn back round. Which means this is false. He has done 3/4 turn, so it is false. Okay, so this is my car, okay, so this is the front of my car. I'm going to mark it purple so you can see that that is always the front. I'm going to turn it and I want you to describe how I have turned it, okay, are you ready? Oh, hold on. I need to make sure the purple bit stays with the car. That would help, wouldn't it, Miss Branch? Okay, so I'm going to move it. Are you ready? How have I moved my car? Which direction and how many turns? You can put your answers in an email. That is today's challenge. Let me show you once more. The car is starting here. And he has moved to that position. See if you can tell me how my car has turned. Okay, they are saying that the pineapple has done half a turn anti-clockwise. So, half a turn anti-clockwise. Let's see if they are correct. half a turn anti-clockwise? Yes, that is correct. What could the other possible turn be? If you watch this pineapple, he needs to end up upside down. So with this bit, my big purple blob now needs to be at the bottom. So we know you could do half a turn anti-clockwise. Let's try it clockwise. Are you ready? Oh, I need to keep it together, don't I? What am I like? Sorry about that, everybody. So, clockwise, half a turn. It's now upside down. So in my box, I could write a half turn clockwise. And that would still make sense. Half a turn clockwise. How has the banana turned? I want you to do this on your own, and this again is a challenge for you. How has the banana turned? Maybe draw it on a piece of paper and turn it round yourself, and you can let us know what you think the answer is. Okay, bronze. You need to describe how the triangle has moved. True or false frog questions. You need to tell me which triangle it is after it's made its turns, and then some more true or false questions. It will really help if you have these printed out. If you can't print it out, draw them on a piece of paper so you can turn your paper. That will help you lots with this activity. Silver, you are doing questions 1 to 4. Gold, you are doing questions 5 and 6. And platinum, you have got some problem solving questions, okay? I hope you don't find it too tricky. As always, please email me or Miss Smith if you need any help with any of your questions, and we will do our best to help you. And I will be back tomorrow with Wednesday's maths video. Have a lovely day.